Right back. Right back. Uncle Switchblade, right back. I was trying to call you from my mobile. You were talking to Zigzag, but I was right around my 20. Hello, Uncle Switchblade. Your nephew around 918 around Sacramento, Cal, waving your hand, and I'm standing by.
Somebody keyed up saying Switchblade. Somebody keyed up saying Switchblade before I got your name. Man, I heard a damn hurricane coming out of Northern Cal. Switchblade,
Get right down, Uncle Switchblade. You said somebody keyed up and Camp Picker took me out of your receive. But for me, it's enough you called my name in the Hall of Fame. Uncle Switchblade, your nephew down Sacramento, Cal, 918, Mean Machine. I'm still reading the mail.
Man, sound like a damn hurricane. Hello to you. Switchblade, Wolfley, player.
Oh, man, now that I can't take it. I can't compete with the king of the West. And Uncle Switchblade, you talk to that Camp Picker, I'm back out. I'm on the side, 918 back out.
Grands on the bed, 30 grand cruising. 30 grands on the bed, all I can say is that. Hello to you, Mr. California. Switchblade, Wolfley, right back. Hey, here's one, two.
Hey, Black Flag, I'll try to get in your receive while 766 talking to Uncle Switchblade. Hello, Mr. Black Flag, around Louisiana, 918 Sacramento. 918, small station in the nation, reading the mail.
California, the showstopper, Big Papa, the car popper, Switchblade say you make the men and the women holler. Take care of 766, bye. 18 Black Flag, I'm in the Walmart mole, I will see you.
Right back, Black Flag, take care, big brother. You say you in some kind of mode, man. It's rough and tough, but Black Flag, the boss of Louisiana, take care, big brother. Have a nice evening. Whole lot of love and peace around your place with God's grace. 918 Sacktown, small station in the nation, reading the mail.
They okay. Hey, 918, just tell them the boys in Louisiana see it high and fire too. Hey, 918 Black Flag, tell them the boys in Louisiana just see it high and fire too. Small station, Windjammer, down south. Station, Windjammer, bye.
Windjammer. I was listening to small Black Flag telling something to pass the 5 to the boys around Louisiana. But Windjammer, you took my receive. Hello, Windjammer, 918, Mean Machine, Sacramento, waving right back. Black Flag, you should tell Windjammer something, man, about Uncle Switchblade talking to big boss of the west side making rough and tough. But you were trying to tell something to Windjammer. Black Flag, 918, Mean Machine, small station in the nation, reading the mail.
Black Flag say I'ma stand down, let my associates go out another time. Hey, 918 Black Flag in the body. Hey, 17 Hitman on the coast, the chicken farm in the Magnolia,
Real good copy, Black Flag, real good copy. And I got the water gauge rolling too. Hello, Black Flag, take care, big brother. You say you gonna let your boys go and let them have some airtime. Black Flag around the boss of Louisiana. 918 Mean Machine, small station in the nation, back out.
Don't get back 17, man. You bumped that thing down real hard. Hey, move right on. Hey, 17, you bumped it down real hard. Move right on, did you? 17, Windjammer out. got condition. 17 hitman, west side, the chicken farmer say you got condition. Bye.
A Windjammer and chicken farmer. A Windjammer and chicken farmer. Did 17 pay his DX dues? Ask him, did he pay his DX dues? Last time I say he had some balance. Oh, 918 Mean Machine, Sacramento, Cal, reading the mail.
Hey, 17 hitman, tell him to get out of here before he get knocked out, break. Hey, getting on down. Hey, 766, Switchblade, plate.
I guess my condition changed. I can't pick a hitman took it. 17 round Southern Cal. Tell him I'm waving 4 fingers in the term. 918 Sacramento standing by.
17, I appreciate it, man. I'm out here working these dudes. Hey, 17, hitman. I'm in the kitchen. I'll be right back. 17. You go.
Bye, Black Flag. Take care. Catch you later on. Black Flag 918 still standing by.
To be funny, but 766, he can take it anyway. Switchblade.